right? In real estate, it's definitely moved. It's gone from a really hot market where you can get whatever you wanted for your deal to, now's when it gets real, and you've got to be a good operator, especially with multifamily. You've got to know how to maximize your NOI, increase those profits, lower your expenses, and really squeeze the deals. Before, you could just buy a deal, wait for the appreciation, right? Not necessarily operate it well, and you'll be good. But those times are past us right now. The less competition, and not that I want a bad market, but I like negotiating, and there wasn't a lot of that happening when the market was as hot as it was. But yeah, no, I mean, now's, like I said, operating is going to be really, really important. That's another reason I like our mastermind, right? We get to talk to other operators and see what they're doing and what tweaks they're making, and kind of foresee the market too, see where the market's going, where the interest rates are. It's just great to have a group to talk about it and work through it.